In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, in Pipedrive. Two-factor authentication adds an extra lock to your account by requiring both your password and a one-time code from a separate device. It's one of the simplest ways to protect your data from unauthorized access, and it only takes a minute to set up. Start by opening your Pipedrive account. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture or initials. From the menu that appears, choose Personal Preferences. In the left-hand menu, go to Password and Log In. Scroll until you see the section labeled Two-Factor Authentication. This is where you'll connect your Authenticator app. The recommended method is to use an Authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. These apps generate time-based, 6-digit codes that change every 30 seconds and work even when you don't have mobile data or Wi-Fi. Click Connect Authenticator app. For security, Pipedrive may ask you to re-enter your password. This is normal and helps confirm it's really you making the change. Once you're on the setup screen, open your Authenticator app on your phone. Use it to scan the QR code displayed in Pipedrive. If you can't scan the code, choose the option in your app to enter a setup key manually and type in the secret key shown on the screen. Be sure to enter it exactly as displayed, since even small typos will prevent the code from working. After you've added the account to your Authenticator app, it will generate a 6-digit verification code. Return to Pipedrive and enter that code to confirm the connection. If the code doesn't work on the first try, wait for the next one to appear and try again, making sure your device time is set correctly. When the connection is successful, Pipedrive will show you a set of backup codes. These are extremely important. Save them in a secure place, such as a reputable password manager or a printed copy stored safely. Don't keep them in plain text on your desktop or share them with anyone. If you ever lose your phone or can't access your Authenticator app, these one-time backup codes will let you get back into your account. That's it. From now on, when you sign in, you'll use your password and a code from your Authenticator app, giving your account a strong layer of protection. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to store those backup codes before you move on.